You have a lot to label every day. Get it done with our fastest, most advanced portable printer yet, the M710. Create premium labels from anywhere and print on just about anything. Self-laminating wire wraps and sleeves? How many? Pipe markers and safety warnings? What color? Outdoor labels that last? How's 8 to 10 years? From harsh washdown resistance to durable industrial identification, the M710 delivers with Brady's widest range of labels. Finish more jobs in your day with blazing fast print speeds. And a precision auto cutter moves you further down your list with less mess. Get the job done from the intuitive keypad and touchscreen. Get even more tools with Brady's label creation software. Or go to where the work happens using enhanced battery technology and print thousands of labels on a single charge. Store labels on board to print them later. You can even connect with your phone, putting easy and powerful label making right in your hand. More speed, less mess. Find out what the M710 portable label printer can do for you.